Learn these great core, glute, and hip exercises for your bad back. It's going to help strengthen, stabilize, and stiffen around the spine. We're going to use long hold isometrics, 30 seconds, 3 to 5 repetitions. These exercises are going to be great for building muscular strength endurance. Also, the long hold isometrics are going to create a stress relaxation creep response in the soft tissues of tendons and the fascia. They'll allow for it to repair and regenerate. So let's go ahead and get started. The first 4 exercises are very safe. You're going to do them every single day. The second 3, you want to perform 3 times per week. First exercise, you're going to do abdominal curl-ups. You're going to get on your back. You want to roll up a towel. You're going to put it underneath your back at the level of your belly button so it keeps that neutral lumbar curve. You want to brace the abdominals, curl up, and you're going to hold this 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 repetitions. Next exercise is bird dog. You want to brace the abdominals, get on all fours. You want to extend the leg out, point the toe towards your head, and you're going to make a fist, extend out. You want to hold that for 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Lateral bridge. You're going to brace in this bridge, brace the abdominals, 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Next, glute bridge. You want to brace the abdominals, lift your toes up, press into your heels, go into that glute bridge, hold it for 30 seconds, repeat 3 to 5 repetitions. You can scale that by going into a one-legged bridge, go into that hold it for 30 seconds, and repeat 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Next, we're going to do the advanced exercises. You just want to get into a starfish. Here, you're going to brace abdominals. This is really good for strengthening up the abductors of the hip. Creates a lot of stabilization from the hip into that low back, QL, and obliques. Perform 30 seconds, 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Next exercise is the Copenhagen plank. Really good for strengthening up the adductors. You're going to perform 30-second holds, 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. And if you want to scale this, you can always move down the box, take less pressure off, and then you can gradually work your way back up by extending it back out. Next exercise is stir the pot. I like to perform 10 repetitions where I roll it out first, then stir to the left, 10 repetitions, and stir to the right, 10 repetitions, and you can perform 3 to 5 sets. The first 4 exercises, core, glute, hip program, you can perform every day. They're very safe. The second 3 perform 3 times a week. If you want to learn how to self-release your pelvis and your low back safely, check out this next video. And if you're new to my channel, if you want more home spinal-based exercises, then go ahead and subscribe. Share this information for the people that really need it. We appreciate serving you. Keep spreading the word. We'll see you on our next video.